1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Rain on a tin roof in the middle of Amsterdam, and I am trying the very best that I can to be brave, to be wild, to be the free-spirited child I know that I am. 'Cause there is something in the air, and I can't sleep tonight in this 21-person dorm. Something just ain't right, it just ain't right. Because I'm worried about the fighting in Iraq, I really am. But I'm busy getting high in Amsterdam, and I'm worried about the children who are starving in Sudan. But I'm eating magic brownies in Amsterdam, and I'm a warrior. What have I achieved? I am a good person. So I had believed, but now I am worrying that I am too naive to change the world. There is something in the air, and I can't sleep tonight in this 21-person dorm. 'Cause something just ain't right, it just ain't right. Because I'm worried about the ozone